Alright guys, who do we have here?
Anthony. Right. Roman.
What are we doing today?
Going skydiving.
Jumping out of perfect good airplanes.
Awesome.
You guys are crazy. Whose idea was it?
Mine.
His idea? Your fault things go wrong?
Yep.
I'll take the blame.
Fair enough. Any last words?
Let's have a day today.
Let's have fun.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear. Take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down in a parachute. You ready for it?
Right.
Go do it. Alright guys, we found an airplane. You ready for it?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
We're gonna get my hand on the way down. Yeah, right.
Alright man, you just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How'd it feel pulling the parachute?
Bro, that was sick.
Yeah? Fuck yeah, what was your favorite part?
Bro, I liked the turning.
The turning under the parachute? Heck yeah,
Yeah.
dude. Did you do it again?
Yeah.
Sure like to hear, man. Thanks for jumping with us.
Thank you.
Woo!